Welcome to Immature Designer. Today we will be talking about how we can edit our videos, such as if you want to upload a video on YouTube or Instagram or any other platform, then you need to edit your video. Just for example, if you have created a simple video and then you want to add some text in between of your videos and some images while you're speaking, so how can you do those things in Canva and in very easy steps? First of all, let me show you what the initial video looks like. Let's get started. So this is a simple video in which there is no text, there is no image, so there is just nothing. It's just a normal video. Now what I want is that while the video is playing, in between a text jumps in saying welcome to my channel, and then image jumps in saying subscribe to my channel. So how can we do that? So let me tell you, one mistake that people do is that they add something, they write welcome to my channel, and then they think that okay, if I have added this particular text at a particular time, then this will emerge at that time only. But no, this is not how Canva works. Like if you'll play, then this text stays here from the starting to the ending. So if you want a text to enter at a particular timing, so just for example, let's say at 3 seconds, at 3 seconds I want this text to enter. So what we will do, we will first place this thing at 3 seconds, then we will right click and we will click on split page. Right, now we have split the page. So from the first page, let's just remove this thing, and at 3 seconds this text appears, and then what I want this text to disappear as well. So let's say at 5 seconds this text should disappear. So I will do split page again, and from the third page I will remove the text. The text remains at the split page, that is in the page in between from 3 seconds to 5 seconds. Okay, so this page's duration is from 3 seconds to 5 seconds. So whatever will happen between the duration of 3 to 5 seconds, that will show here, and then anything that you're doing in this page will show during the duration of this page only. Okay, so that's why we actually split the pages. So now that we have split the pages, now the text will appear at the exact timing of 3 seconds to 5 seconds, that is a duration of 2 seconds. Okay, now let's just give it a nice font style. So from here basically you can choose different font style. I will choose nice font style which is something like this. Right, Malibu. Great. So I've done this. Now you can also change the colors from here. Now the text that you have chosen, if you want the text to, when it is appearing during this time period, then you want it to appear with some animation. So you can add animation from over here. Right now there's no animation, but just hover on some animation and you will find a nice animation, the one you like. So let's just say stump or something like this, or maybe yeah, this one looks good because the video was also a slow video, so this one is fine. Now this thing will appear on like this. So let's just play the video and see how we have done it. So let's just play it from the beginning. Right, welcome to my channel, and something like this. So that goes just great. Now let's say you want to add an image. The part of image goes exactly the same. For example, from over here, now what I want is that I would say that okay, now this welcome to my channel will just go away, and a subscribe button will appear. Okay, so and the subscribe button stays for 2 seconds maybe. So from 5 seconds to 7 seconds the subscribe button will stay. So I will place it at 7 seconds. I will split over here. So this page duration is from 5 seconds to 7 seconds. So now I will go to elements and I will search subscribe. So some button appears. I think this looks good. This is like this, subscribe. Perfect. And you can also animate this one. It will stop like this. Perfect. this looks fine, I think. And then what we will do is that we will see the video from the beginning, how it goes. This is the first 3 seconds, and then the third second till 5th second, and then the 6th second to 11th second, and done. So this is how you can easily add your text in your video, easily add images to your video. The video can be anything, and the image can be as large as you want. It can completely cover your video as well. Completely cover it. So this image is not covering, but you can add a rectangular image which is of this proportion only, which will completely cover your video ratio, right? So this is how you can easily edit your video. Please like the video and subscribe the channel. I see that people watch my video a lot, but they do not subscribe the channel. So please, please, please subscribe the channel and just be with me.